And again, from the people asking me and from what I read from the news, AI
Okay.
that makes decision in the court. And I heard that I forgot the province and the city again, but I heard there's this city in China where they implemented AI, and takes like 70% of cases, and it improves efficiency. Again, lowering down the cost, time, and everyone is happy. Is there really a trend that AI can make more and more decision in the courthouses, or at least in the simple cases?
Um,
Are you scared to lose your job?
I have already talked to other friends working as judge, but I don't think they use AI um, in in right now. I don't think they use AI right now. The biggest problem is that we don't know whether AI is stable for judgment, because we all know sometimes AI makes mistakes. When we use AI to do some legal research, the AI may just give you fake precedents.
The perception of what can happen.
Yeah. That would be a problem. And then the second issue is that I don't think the government has sufficient money to buy AI
For that
for that.
scale.
Yeah. So and in the near future, I don't think we will have
Even
AI
with
judges.
DeepSeek, even with the latest technology that they developed, because I feel like that system, it can. My idea was that it can handle simple cases, like let's say we know the pattern in, I don't know, 9 out of 10 cases like this. This is the outcome that leads, right?
Well, here is the thing. Theoretically, I think AI can do simple cases. That's fine. But the problem is that what if AI make mistakes? Who will take responsibility? The company or the judge? So, but no judge. So yeah, that will be the problem.
But do you think, okay, if even if now they're not doing it, do you think in the future there is a chance it might come to life, or you don't see that that's the world we're gonna live in?
I'm sorry. What
Do
do you
you
mean?
think in it, okay, if now you're saying they don't have the sufficient power, and we also don't know that the AI doesn't have enough power to do these kind of cases, right? Because it's still making mistakes. But let's say imagine in the future where we do have, because this system going to get better and better. Can you see a future where AI is making those decisions?
I think it is possible in the future for AI to do easy cases like simple sales disputes, car accidents. That's possible, I think. But um, I have to say sometimes cases are complicated. It is just they sometimes cases contains tricky fact. So, which means that you need someone to balancing the interest from both sides. But how to balance, it depends. And I mean, different times may have, how to say that. I mean, a judge may make different decisions in different times.
Even though if the cases are similar, the little details can change,
Yes.
the outcome. What was the, again, talking about your personal experience, what was one of the most craziest cases you worked on? The one that you can share at least.
Yeah, I have already thought about these issues before this interview, but I think once I talk about some details about our case, I think my client will see it. So
Okay.
so no.
Okay. Okay. Deal.